Hi, today's episode has a rather interesting connection. Tibetan mythology and English. We will discover how Tibet has contributed to the English phrase buttering.
For those of you who are not acquainted with Tibet, it's a region in East Asia which has several of the world's top mountains, including Mount Everest. With an average elevation of 4,380 meters, it is the highest region in the world and is also referred to as the rooftop of the world.
How many flights do you think fly over the Tibetan plateau? Do let us know.
And if you want to know more about Tibet, I highly recommend you read the book 7 Years in Tibet or watch the movie with the same name, starring Brad Pitt. But coming back to the topic, how did the Asian country Tibet influence the European language English?
So the background is that in Tibetan culture, since ancient times, there is a practice of making idols out of butter, and thanks to the weather, it does not even melt. The tradition of butter sculpture, locally known as Sipro or Torma, started in Tibet around 1409 AD in the Ming dynasty.
But what is the genesis of this festivity?
The exact origin of the practice is shrouded in myth and mystery. But as per one local legend, it is believed that when Princess Wengchang bought the statue of young Sakaya Muni, the monks wanted to present them with flowers. However, due to the cold and the arid climate, they couldn't find any flowers around. One monk at that point of time started thinking out of the box. He got a block of butter and carved a flower out of it. The frozen flower of butter was then presented to Sakaya Muni. Pleased, Sakaya Muni and Princess Wengchang showered their blessings on the monks.
So, the next time I walk up to my boss from a promotion or a long leave, I can be the Tibetan monk. Butter up and my wishes might be fulfilled.
And if you want to learn a few more tricks on how to navigate the modern day office or your life, do not look further back. You can just look to mythology. It will surely surprise you.
Namodhyam
Eva
Eva
Satyam.
Satyam.